Hi everybody and welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade. Today I am going to give you my ideas for creating 3 gifts for 3 different generations for this coming Christmas. This video is part of a challenge that is being hosted by Chellie from Born to Book and Stephanie from Okie Mom Life. Do check out their channels and the playlist they have created for more innovative and lovely ideas. They challenged us to create 3 gift packages or 3 gifts basically. There's no gender bar, there is no generation or the age bar. It can be handmade, it can be bought, whatever. But the gift should be within $10. So it has to be a budget gift, but a gift for Christmas. And I believe gifts for a person should be personalized. That should be something that the person would cherish, and there should be some personal touch so that the person who gets the gift feels that you have put some effort, some thought for that person. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video or by hitting the icon given in the bottom right corner of the video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post a video. I love to do DIY, some decoration, lots of sew recipes, family, home, chores, travels. So do subscribe and enjoy how I create my today's set of gifts. My first gift idea is for an elderly person. I'm keeping my mother in mind, and I've taken this paper gift bag which is lovely red with gold motifs on it, and I got a book for her. I thrifted this book so it came pretty cheap, and it's about lovely crochet patterns, and she loves to knit, crochet and all that, so I think this is a good gift for her. I'm going to keep this gift in. Then I also got this cane of thin wool for crochet. I'm going to put this in, and I always keep this clear poly packs for gifting, and this will keep it neat and clean. That goes in. Next, I'm going to add a set of this paper and into this box of cookies, and this I think would be a good gift for her. So I'm taking this star-shaped ornament that I have DIY'd sometime back. You can check out my channel for that. I'm taking a white ribbon, putting it through it, then adding my gift tag, take the 2 sides together so that it becomes a closed package. and then tie it up in an informal bow. So this is my first gift, and it's meant for an elderly person or anybody who loves to knit crochet. This is my next gift bag. It's a beautiful marbled effect bag, and I am using this hand knit cap, pair of gloves, and this hand knit. I knit this for my husband, and this is a set for a man. So I'm putting the muffler or the scarf, the hand knit cap, and the gloves, pair of gloves, and I'm going to put this in this bag. I like this bag, it's thin and shimmery, and I'm going to put this on because these are homemade, handmade, so they haven't come with their own packaging except for the gloves which are bought. That's it. And because this is for a man and it's actually for my husband, so I thought it would be fun to add some blue and white hearts to this. So taking this in the center and throwing it in. I think I put it here. Inside this and putting this all in. Next I add some more of this packet, and I add a cookie box again of this choice, and now I'm going to tie this whole thing up. So this time I'm going to use this round ornament, another DIY of mine, and you can check it out in my DIY and decor playlist. I took a velvet ribbon in contrasting, it's more of a maroon color, and then I put one of those handmade gift tags that I made just now. Again, take the two handles and tie up the So this is a gift for a man of my age. For my third gift, I'm going to use this bag. This is nice handmade bag with golden motifs, sturdy bag. And my son loves to paint. Another thrifted book. A book is valued by its contents, not by the year of publishing or by the price you paid for it. And this book, though he's small for this book, but this would give him inspiration and ideas, and I think it's a lovely gift for him. So I'm going to give him this book, and again I'm going to take a blue wrapping paper and just put it in. Then he loves gloves, so I got him this pair of gloves, and I'm going to put it in a purple poly pack. It also goes in. Then when there is coloring book, there needs to be some colors, so I got him this set of colors. Again, not very expensive, but nice for his age. And then again took some paper, put it in. For him, I got some chocolates, and I know he would love this. So all that goes in. And next comes the ornament for this. So I'm going to use the star ornament, again a DIY. You can check it out in my DIY and decor playlist. I put it through another ribbon. Then the gift tag. Here is another gift for somebody who loves to paint and draw. Here are my 3 gifts. The first one is for my man, and this one is for someone who loves to knit, and this is for somebody who loves to paint. And I really like how this all turned out so beautiful and festive. And I like this simple idea of packaging things in bags rather than gift packing it. It took me so less time, and I could put so many items into this, and all within the budget. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing. Do put your likes, comments. I would love to read them, and see you in my next video.